How to change the colour of your eyes and lips in Photoshop. With your image open in Photoshop, go down to New Adjustment Layer, Hue and Saturation, slide the dial to any colour and close the window. Press Command Deny inside the layer mask to invert and hide the layer. With a soft brush, all white and a flow of 20%, start to paint inside the eyes to reveal the colour from the Hue and Saturation layer. Repeat the process for the second eye. Back in the Hue and Saturation layer, we now have the flexibility to change the colour to any desired colour we like. Back in the layer mask, we can now apply the same effects to the lips or any other part of the image. For a more natural finish, lower the opacity to around 30%. And finally, once again, back in the Hue and Saturation layer, we now have the flexibility to change to any desired colour we like. And there you have it, you successfully changed the colour of your eyes and lips in Photoshop. Follow for more tips and tricks like this.